The peregrine falcon is the fastest bird and, in fact, the fastest animal on earth when in a dive. As it executes this dive, the peregrine falcon soars to a great height, then dives steeply at speeds of up to 240 miles, that is 386 km per hour. These birds of prey are really great hunters and they hunt starlings, pigeons, blackbirds, jays, shorebirds, and waterfowl are all fair game for a hungry peregrine falcon. They also hunt mammals, reptiles, insects, and bats. Thank you and please subscribe the channel for more animal facts.